Hi everyone and welcome to Query Arc. If you're new to the world of data, SQL query looks a little intimidating, but you are in the perfect place. My name is Ray and I'm a data engineer with the real world experience. Forget about the complex jargon. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 most fundamental commands that you will use every single day as a data professional. Select, where, and order by. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently retrieve, filter, and sort data from any table. Let's build your foundation starting right now. Alright, for this tutorial, I'll be using PostgreSQL and a fantastic free database tool called dbeaver. If you don't have them installed yet, don't worry, I put links and resources in the description below to help you to get set up. Here we have simple table called customer. It has a few columns like first name, last name, email, and etc. This will be our playground for today. Okay, let's start with the most basic and important command. Select. Select is used to retrieve data from a database. If we want to absolutely everything inside our customer table, we use an asterisk or a star, which means all column, like this. Select all from customer. And just like that, we see our entire table. Simple, right? But in the real world table can have 50 or 100 columns. Selecting everything is inefficient. Most of the time, you only need a specific information. Let's say we only want to take first name and last name of our customer. We simply replace the star with the column names we want separated by comma. Just like this. First name, comma, last name. See the difference? Much cleaner. This is how you select a specific data. Next up, the where clause. This is your filter. It lets you specify a condition to retrieve only the row that you care about. Now, what if we only want to see customer with first name Bill? We add where after our table name. Where first name go to Bill. Notice that because Bill is a text, we have to put it inside a single quote. Now, let's try with number. As you can see in customer table, in our customer table, we can see the active field. This specifies the customer is active or not. If the customer is active, the number will be 1, but if customer is inactive, the number will be 0. Okay, we will play with that. How about if we want to see the customer who are active? Then we have to query like this. Active equal to 1. This will show you our customer that active. There are no 0 in active field because we filter only the active customer. And the other also the same. If the inactive customer, there will be 0. Okay, back to 1. And you can even combine condition using AND. Let's find a customer whose name is Sandra and inactive, like this. Where first name equal Sandra and active. Oh, sorry. inactive equal to 1 because Sandra is inactive member. You won't find it in this, but if we change the active to 0, Sandra will appear because Sandra is inactive customer. As you can see, the where clause is incredibly powerful and you will use it constantly. Finally, let's talk about order by. This command does exactly what it sounds like. It sorts our result. The data we have looks good, but it's not really sorted in any meaningful way. Let's check our customer table. As you can see, we have customer ID in customer table with the serial data type, which means if we have a new customer, this will add up at the latest customer ID. Let's say we have 100 customer ID right now, then the new customer ID will be 101. Let's order by this customer ID. ID. Okay, by default the customer ID, by default the order by is sorted in ascending order from lowest to highest. If it attacks, then it will be ordered by A to Z. But what if we want to tag the latest customer ID first, which means the descending from the latest to from the newest to the latest. Then we add keyword des for descending. As you can see, this is the Austin is the latest customer, which customer ID is 599. Okay, and there you have it. Select to choose your data, where to filter it, and order by to sort it. You just learn the core of workflow of data retrieval. Alright, now it's your turn to be the data engineer. Here's a mini challenge for you. Using what you just learned, try to write a single query to find the first 100 customer which are still active. From the first 100 customer, only show which still active. Pause the video and give it a try, and post your query in the comments below. I love to see your answer. Awesome job! These three commands are the absolute foundation, and once you're comfortable with them, you'll want to explore more powerful filtering concept, which is like, in, between, and null. If you are serious about taking your skill to the next level and truly mastering these advanced topics, the best way is through deep structured learning. The book that personally helped me the most when I was starting out is called Learning SQL by Alan Bellew. It explains everything incredibly clearly with great practical example. I left my personal recommendation link for the book in the description below for you to check out. And that's a wrap for your first lesson at QueryArk. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tutorials. In the next video, we will dive into like, in, between, and null. It's going to be fun. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.